Hi, my name's Lewis. I want to demonstrate Flagmaster. Flagmaster is a device that holds your ATV flag on an ATV. You can put the flag on in seconds or take it off in seconds or angle it back or forwards. There's instructions on how to mount it. It's real easy to do. Basically, Flagmaster installs just like this right here in your standard hole where you put the flag. And instead of putting the flag in there like this, you would just put Flagmaster in there. Now, to install the flag into Flagmaster, you just put the clamp on there and tighten the clasp, and that's it. It's done. So now if you wanted to angle the flag back, I can loosen an adjusting nut back here and no tools are needed. I can adjust this to any angle I want. If I wanted to adjust this all the way back, let's say I wanted to go home and I didn't want to, let's say I didn't want the flag in the wind, I'd be able to tilt this all the way back. Or maybe if I want to, I can tilt it all the way forward. Or in this case, I'm going to put it, I think I'll put it straight, just like that. Now, if I want to take the flag back off, again, I don't need any tools. I just loosen the clasp and open it, and the flag is out. So it literally takes maybe a couple of seconds to put this flag on, and it takes a few seconds to take it off. It just takes all the pain out of putting a flag on and taking the flag off. So I've got 6 quads, and I can tell you that I hate putting flags on and taking them off. So this invention is working out really good for me. That's Flagmaster.